Alright, I'm going to do a little lather demo for my new shave soap. There it is. Tallow and Shea all natural shave. Here we go. Using my Omega boar bristle by Perazzo, I believe. I'm going to do a bowl lather. Just a little quickie. So this is 2-ounce tester soap that I'm selling on my website for $5. If you buy one, I'll send you a pre-shave oil with it. Alright, that got a little out of hand there quickly. Alright. So I like to start kind of slow. And by that I mean I'll just use a small bit of water and kind of add to it bit by bit. So that I don't get too much water in there. Because I don't know about you, but I like mine thick. I like a nice, creamy, thick lather when I shave. I'll go a little bit slow here. Alright. And you can see I'm just literally putting drops in, maybe a quarter teaspoon at a time. Here we go. This soap's unscented, so no essential oils, no chemical fragrance, no nothing. And I did that because I know a lot of people are really sensitive to fragrance. There we go. Nice thick lather. Here it is. Woof. Do love it. And do love it. There you go. Tallow and Shea. And if that's not enough lather for you, then I just don't know. Alright. Enjoy.